I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and this is 705 in the South Bank building. Come and have a look at what this beautiful apartment has to offer. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit features 2-car parking in a secure lock-up underground lot. What makes these units in South Bank so special is the fact that both the living area and both bedrooms are facing the river, giving you the opportunity to enjoy that panoramic view of Mount Archer and the Fitzroy River. Unit 705 features this large entertainment-style kitchen, ideal for hosting family and friends and watching the world go by. The riverfront lifestyle is about lock up and go and easy access to amenities. Walk to local restaurants, the gallery, or the gym, or just enjoy what nature has to offer. This immaculate apartment and easy lifestyle is something that interests you. Get in touch with me, Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents.